In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Stardust Source in one's human. Now, there are multiple ways of getting them, either by marketing them, obtaining them through Battle Pass and stuff like that, and defeating bosses inside dungeons. However, I think the easiest way is as follows. You have to press M on your map, and as you can see, there's multiple rift anchors all around the map. What you have to do is simply navigate to those and claim these. Okay, so you have to simply, if you hold on the shift key on your map, you will see that Stardust Source is, you get activated rewards, you can get Stardust Source. Okay, and a part of that you can get Stellar Planula as well, but we need Stardust Source. So as you can see, you can get them at all these locations where these rift anchors are. So just go there, activate those rift anchors, fight off the enemies around there, and that's what I think the easiest way to obtain a Stardust Source in one's human. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.